So I'm kind of just down to this area. I decided I need some tunes to get through it. I am 52. I'm making it happen. But the breaks come a lot more often. So Luna, way up there in the window, supporting me. I'm too close to the road. I'm afraid she'll try to break free over the hill here. So she's inside today. It's been pretty amazing, but I feel good. I'm not too sore from yesterday. And you probably saw the street sign up there. It's my nose of my car is at street level, so that's how deep it is. Basically, no plows. Apparently, the HOA hired a sucky plow company this year, so we've got some Barney Fifes out there not doing their job. We normally have phenomenal service, but this first year it hasn't happened. So anyway, just almost done. I got maybe 5 feet to the actual street here, as wide as the car, and a little here, and it's actually been bottomed out underneath. It's been kind of crazy. I've never had that happen before. I've had to shovel all the way under the car. So anyway, that's the update. Nearing the end, just waiting for plows. Hopefully they'll be down soon. That's the street, and it looks like it's 2 to 3 feet deep. They haven't been here since Friday night. So anyway, but again, another amazing, glorious day, and a lot to be thankful for. So blessed. Have a great day.